Hello and welcome back to the channel, everyone. I hope you guys are doing absolutely well. So we have officially picked up Himalayan, and it's day 2 today, starting from Hyderabad. And I'll be riding Himalayan, and Chaitanya will be riding his Xpulse. So Ninja is parked here, and we will see Ninja after 25 days. Chalo, let's go. Okay, so day 1 till Sagar, I guess, Sagar or Jhansi. So the time right now is 10:15 in the morning, and we are starting our day 2. This should have been day 1, but then, shit happens. So yeah, I'll see you once I get back on the Nagpur highway. Bye.
దూరం పోతయ్యా డిస్కనెక్ట్ అయిపోతుంది ఫోను
Speed breaker.
యా ఐఎమ్ రైట్ బిహైండ్ యూ బ్రో ఇడే లెఫ్ట్ బాయో
Fuck bro, it's raining heavily. So it started raining heavily, so we thought we'll take a 5 minutes break and full of rain. This is a nice tunnel, right? I'm not able to vlog much because my SD cam isn't waterproof, so I'll be just giving updates in between. So far, so good.
ఫోన్ కూడా లేదురా బ్యాగ్లో ఉంది అన్న నిజామాబాద్ హైవే ఎట్లా వెళ్ళాలన్నా నిజామాబాద్ హైవే అంటే నిజామాబాద్ హైవే ఎట్లా వెళ్ళాలి నిజామాబాద్ హైవే అదే లోపలికి వచ్చి గూగుల్ మ్యాప్స్ ఇటు చూపిస్తా ఉంది హైవే వచ్చింది మాకు కనిపించింది వెళ్ళాలా
of harmony left me with the pieces of forever that you broke, but since you left me alone, I've been
Quick update, we have completed 180 kilometers from Hyderabad, and we have stopped here to dry ourselves up. It stopped raining now, so we took a break. Everything is wet, all the shoes, socks, my pant and all, and I don't have a rain pant, so it's getting very difficult, and the rain is very heavy, so it's like really difficult to ride. And if you can see, there are black clouds, so I'm sure it's gonna rain in the front. So we'll just stop here for some time and then we'll leave. Yo, ఏం చేసి వస్తున్నావు? దుమ్ము తీస్తారా? మరీ గలీజ్ అయిపోయింది.
బట్ ఎగిరిచ్చిరా మొత్తం అంతా.
Okay, so finally we have stopped here for lunch somewhere around 2:33 in the afternoon, and it's raining continuously since morning.
Much later.
Oh, okay, so we are finally back on GoPro. What a crazy ride it was, man, since morning. It was continuously raining cats and dogs. The ride has been very hectic because of this rain, or else the roads are amazing. Just straight. Doggy. See black clouds again in the front. God, please. No more rains, man. Nagpur 200 kilometers. That means we have exactly completed 300 kilometers. If you can see my hand, just look at them. If I touch here, it's very much painful because of the rain and leather. That part is I forgot my rain pants. I have got a new rain liner which is crap actually from Rhinox. They told me it's 5000 mm waterproof, but it's worse than the one which we get free. So a big hands down to Rhinox. The plan is to ride till Nagpur and then decide what to do. If the rain doesn't continue, we can straightly hit back to Jhansi or Sagar. But if it keeps raining like this, it would be difficult for us to continue. It started raining again. I've stopped again to wear my rain liners and cover the tank bag with waterproof cover and keep the camera inside again. Like seriously, man, what the fuck is this? The rain doesn't stop at all since morning. Completely fed up with this. God, I usually love to ride in rain, but today it's a bit more extreme. You know what? Let it rain. I'm gonna record it for some time. The camera gets spoiled, then let it go to hell.
I wanna know what nobody knows. I wanna go where nobody goes. I lost my way, but I found my fighter's destiny. I don't wanna look back now, 'cause I know that I don't need your love. I won't let you take me down, 'cause lately I've been high.
So these kind of cows and dogs and all, there are too many of them, man. Like crazy amount of them are present on the highway, so be careful while you're riding.
ఏం ఎట్లా చూపిస్తుంది అది మ్యాప్స్
మ్యాప్స్ ఏం పెట్టుకోలే. టోల్ గేట్ వచ్చిందా?
నేనది వస్తాను.
Okay, so the time right now is 6:30 and we haven't reached Nagpur yet. We have taken a hell lot of time to reach here, but then it's been raining like crazy since morning. It was a bit tough because I didn't have rain pants and rain gloves and waterproof shoes. We will try to extend it till Jabalpur. I think I've made a right choice because by getting Himalayan, because we haven't taken any breaks since morning. Breaks like just to give rest to ass or back and all. Beautiful sunset, man. Beautiful sunset. Beautiful ride. Beautiful day. The only problem was rain. And it's about to get dark. We both don't have any problem to ride in dark, so it's gonna be pretty fine. We haven't even completed 500 kilometers.
That's so disappointing, man. I know it's because of the rain, but still, it's not how we both roll. But I think we have officially entered into Madhya Pradesh. It's almost dark, and if you know, at this time, small insects, so many small insects will fall on your visor. So it's not recommended to open your visor at this time, or else it will go into your eyes. So be very careful with that. And time is 7:13 now. 50 more kilometers for Nagpur.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me?
ఇదంతా మొత్తం మనం అట్లే వెళ్ళాల్సిందంట ఓఆర్ఆర్ నుండి.
Choirs of harmony left me with the pieces.
Bye bro. Bye bye. So how far is it from here? 7. Uh-huh. ఎంతమంది కలిసినారు. Wow, man. Unexpectedly we met so many people over here, and what they suggested is that to take the ORR, but then we met this guy Nitin. He is from Nagpur and he wanted to show us this 0 mile, so, and his home is also nearby, so he called us in. Oh my god, this was a crazy response at Nagpur. Nice, very nice, man. Heartwarming actually. So we'll just go to the 0 mile, and it's the midpoint of India. 0 mile. That's so sweet of him to show us around, man. Maharashtra tourism. Okay, so we are leaving from here 0. What 0? 0 milestone. Fuck. We are leaving towards Sagar. Ooh, we need to stop for dinner soon, and yeah, I'll see you at dinner then, because there's nothing much to show, I guess. Phew. Spooky roads, man. So we have completed 50 kilometers from Nagpur, and we didn't stop anywhere yet. The roads are getting more and more spooky, and we met few random people on the road who were just interested, who were curious to know where we were going and where we were coming from. Everyone suggested us not to ride in the night towards Jabalpur or towards Delhi, because there are many robbery stories over here. So they are telling us you might get robbed, so be careful, better don't ride in the night. Just take a room in Nagpur and then start to Delhi in the morning. But then let's see, we are going towards Jabalpur in the night itself, hoping that nothing would go wrong. So I just hope nothing goes wrong, man. So why the fuck is it showing Hyderabad straight, man? And according to Google Maps, it's the right way, but I don't know why is it showing Hyderabad. I feel so tired, dude. It's all because of the fucking rain in the morning. Okay, so we are going on this one way since so long. Chalo, thank God we got this diversion again. So since many kilometers we were on this one way, with lots and lots of trucks and dust, man. And I don't know where are we gonna stop. We have sleeping bags with us, so Chaitanya is saying he needs rest for some time, so I think we're gonna stop at some fuel station or something and give some rest to our asses.
Okay, so we stopped here next to a toll plaza and we got out our sleeping bags and we are gonna sleep here for some time, power nap kind of thing. So I'll just end the vlog here. If you all like the video, then do hit like, share, comment and subscribe. Till then, ciao.